Hello, welcome back. I meant to do this one ages ago. It was second place in a Patreon vote, so all these lovely people wanted this one. It was only like one vote behind the one that won that month. Forget what it was. So anyway, here it is at long last. So tuning, we're in standard tuning, but we've got a partial capo. Capo is covering strings 1 to 5, and then low E is left as is, right? In terms of tone, I'm using the VS Audio Blackbird, which is superb. It gives you a really nice light overdrive, which I think is perfect for this. Alright, so that's the tone. So first riff goes like this. 2, 3, 4. Just loops around. That's the intro and the verse section as well, okay? And basically, now the tab as well, you'll see that it's the actual notes that I'm fretting rather than relative to the capo, okay? Just because I think it's easier. So the first part of the phrase is a D shape to an A shape, okay? And it comes in on the 4 and, okay? 2, 3, 4. So down, up, down, down. Then you go to a C shape. And then you slide up 2 frets and abandon your first 2 fingers, right? So it's... And when you get to the 9th fret, you're going to go up, down, down. That slowly. So that entire first half. So that third bar basically is the same as the first, but then you're going to do a little rundown. So you go, which is sliding from the 7th to the 9th, then pull off 7 to 0, right? But it's obviously capped at the 4th fret. Crazy stone tuning, right? Then you just repeat that around, okay? Now when you come into the pre-chorus part, the only difference is when you go, you just do a rest there rather than going back into the D shape, right? And then you're going to play this. So you've got to go the other side of the capo in this. That, right? And if you also play the A string, you get a bit more of the album flavour, right? So you're just playing the 2nd fret on the E string. So you come in on the 2nd beat, so it's 2, 3, 4, 1. Right, but there's a bar of 5/4 in the middle, so there's an extra beat thrown in there for good measure. After that part, you're going to go to this. And then back around. Okay, so those chords are just 11th fret and open E, 6th fret and open E, and again you come in on the 4 and, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you change to a C shape, but it's just 7, 6, 0, and then you leave that ring out and go around again. That's it. The chorus is then a variation of the intro and verse riff, which goes like this. Easy enough, right? So D to A, same rhythm as before. So 3 times, and then you go to basically like what would be a G shape. Mute the second string and just, you can play 7, mute 0, or you can let the G string out as well if you want. Okay, so all the way around. Alright, the only other bit you need is the middle 8 section, which is this. Play that 3 times, and then the 4th time. And then back into that riff again, okay? So that is just a 5th fret, major chords, bar chord, but with the B and E string open. 1st fret on the 11th fret on the A. And there I'm just playing the top 4 strings. Again. One more time. And then you've got this just slight variation. Which is basically 11th fret on the A and the E string. It's down to the 6th, and that's C shape. So 3, 4. So that was it. I hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon. Cheers, bye bye.